In this video, we look at this luxury shipping container beach house in the Hamptons, New York. This amazing house was built using 6 shipping containers, 4 containers on the ground level and 2 containers on the topmost level. The total habitable space in the house is 2,000 square feet, comprising of 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and open plan living space. The first level of the house accommodates 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. We have 3 almost equal size bedrooms and a spacious ensuite master bedroom. The master bedroom opens onto a big outdoor deck which has a swimming pool. When you take the staircase up, you access the second story of the house, which accommodates an open plan living space with a dining on the extreme end, a centrally placed open kitchen, and a living space. This open plan living has also access to a wraparound deck, expanding the indoor living space to the outdoors. The house has got an external staircase to access the topmost roof deck with amazing views of the neighborhood. This is a view of the open plan living space on the topmost level of the house, showing the lounge area, the kitchen in the middle, and the dining on the extreme end. This is a closer view of the kitchen. You will appreciate the high-end appliances, the quality finishes, and this beautiful kitchen island that can also serve as a breakfast counter. I like these luxurious pendant lights above the kitchen island to enhance task lighting. You'll also notice the living space has the container roofs left exposed to celebrate the industrial charm of building with shipping containers. This is a closer view of the dining area. You'll appreciate this beautiful pendant light above the dining area to enhance task lighting. There's also a direct access to the outdoor deck to expand the dining space to the outdoors. This is a closer view of the lounge. There's this beautiful fireplace. There's a wall-mounted TV on the screen, and these full-height sliding doors permit maximum daylighting and also seamless unrestricted access to the outdoors, expanding the lounge space to enjoy the outside environment. This is the view of the bedrooms from the staircase lobby on the ground floor level. You will appreciate the quality of finishes, some nice handrail, and even areas which contain the exposed corrugated container walls to celebrate the building blocks of this amazing beach house. This is a view of the master bedroom. You'll appreciate the level of lighting and the quality of finishes. It also has a seamless access to the outdoor deck, which is also accommodating the pool for the house. The view of one of the bedrooms, you'll notice the provision of adequate windows for maximum daylighting. This is a view of another bedroom. This is big enough to accommodate 2 single beds. They are also provided with a sizable glass window for maximum daylighting. This is a view of the 4th bedroom with a similar approach to daylighting and seamless access between the indoors and the outdoors. This is a view of one of the bathrooms. You'll appreciate the quality of finishes, the wall tiling, and even the vanity area with storage. A luxurious bathroom. This should be the master bedroom. I like the dual vanities, the wall-mounted bathroom mirrors, and the full height wall tiles. A view of the master bathroom with the beautiful tiling. Another view of the bathroom to the master bedroom. This is a view of one of the bathrooms which is accessed directly from the dining area. I love this. This is an outdoor shower. The quality of finishes and the quality of the faucets is also top-notch to complement the quality of other spaces in the house. This is the general view of the house from the rear. A closer view of the pool side showing the pool deck and the sheltered outdoor space around the master bedroom. There's a view of the landscaped gardens around the house. This is the general view of the house showing the pool side and the elevated outdoor living spaces around the lounge area and the living spaces, plus the topmost rooftop deck to the house. This is a view of the topmost roof deck of the house with a view of the ocean in the background. It's a general view of the pool deck and the outdoor living space around the master bedroom. You'll also appreciate the bit of greenery and planting on the wraparound deck around the living space. The general view of the neighborhood from the elevated vantage position of the decks in the house. So what do you like about this amazing shipping container project? If you love this kind of projects or shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up and a like if you appreciate what you've seen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.